my YouTube channel. This is the Captain Gala. I said promise you that we'll be doing more and more videos which are very educative, videos about forex. I've been away for quite a while, but we are back with big bangers. As you know the way we do it. Today we are going to learn about a very simple thing. Today we are going to learn about a very simple thing because some people uh, some people always know how to draw the lines, but they don't know how those lines are created. They don't know how to identify a support and how to identify a resistance zone. That means that today we are going to learn how to identify key zones in the forex space. Mostly, I don't use smart money market concepts, but I use a top-down analysis, break of structure. That's where and change of structure. That is where I trade. And today, let us focus on how support and resistance is created. That is what we wanna check today, and the lesson is going to be fantastic. Stay tuned. Now we are going to start with how the lesson is how is support and resistance created. How is support and resistance created? That is the lesson of today. How is support and resistance created? And I want you to pay attention for this because it is very important, guys. Now we are going to start how is how is support created? How is a support created? How is a support created? That is our the first topic we're going to look at. Now this is it. Support is created when a bearish candle is formed, uh, followed by our bullish candle. A bearish candle is the green candle, and a bullish candle is a bearish candle is the red candle, and a bullish candle is the green candle. Now, how is support created, and how do you identify this support? Let me say the market was on a downtrend, and when I've said the market was in a downtrend, it means that the market is selling. Now, when is that support created? The support is created when you will see a red candle formed followed by a green candle. When a red candle is formed followed by a green candle. Guys, it is very simple as that. Some people have complicating forex, and forex is very easy. Even a class 8 dropout can trade forex. If you are talking about Kenya, now this is how support is created. You come here and name this is your current support because already that support is created, and we are going to call it out for you to identify that zone. Now the zone we are going to identify with the call out. We are going to identify with the call out, and the call out will be current support. Current support. This is how support is created. Support is created when a bearish candle on a downtrend is formed, followed by a bullish candle. Bullish candle is the green candle, and the bearish candle is the red candle. That is how support is created, guys. And remember, when support is broken, that means there is a continuation of that downtrend. When the support is, we have a violation of support, which supports the continuation of a trend line, and we have actualization of a support. How is support violated and how is support actualized? Let us go on. Stay tuned because today we have the best lesson for you. How is support violated and how is support violated and how is support actualized? I've said this is a support which is created, ndio? And we have said that this support we name it current support. How is it violated? It is violated when you get a bearish candle which forms and breaks that given zone. When you see a bearish candle, whether it doesn't break this zone or it breaks, which means this zone is no longer called a support, but it becomes a resistance zone. Get it to me. remember, I've told you that support is created when a bearish candle is formed followed by a bullish candle. When a bearish candle is formed followed by a bullish candle. And remember, support can also be violated. That's why not every time you are supposed to buy at a support, and not every time you are supposed to buy at a resistance, because that resistance or support can be violated or can be actualized. And I've said, when support is created and another bearish candle is printed, it means that this support has been violated, and there is a continuation of a downtrend. There is a continuation of a downtrend in that given market, which means for you to buy again this market, this one will become your current resistance at this given zone. This is current resistance. Let me call it out. This is current resistance. This is CR. That is the current resistance. Now, which means for somebody to buy this market at this given zone, this market must come here, break that current resistance, and buy up to the next resistance. That is how support is created and violated. How is support actualized? Support is actualized when a bullish candle is formed after the support. Let me remove this because it is going to confuse other people. This is how it is done. When you see another green candle formed, that is called a support. This is called an actualized support because remember, this is the support which was created. Another bullish candle, engulfing candle. Engulfing, you have to see that this candle is engulfing. Engulfing, it is more than the previous candle. It engulfs this candle and the previous candle, which means this support has been actualized, and there is a possibility that this market is going upward according to your analysis. And I've always said that, remember that analysis on the key zones only support it only supports your analysis. It is not something that you can use to trade. I decided that key zones and indicators, they are not used to enter a trade. They are only used to signify or to symbol that this trend is about to take place, and this is what is about to take place in the market. That is how to actualize support, how to actualize, how to violate a support, and how it is created. Let us go to how resistance is created. Let me remove everything and we check how is resistance is created. This is it. Resistance is created when a bullish candle is formed at a key zone. When a bullish candle is formed, followed by a bearish candle. This is it. When you see the market was on an uptrend, let me show you. When the market was an uptrend, yes, the market was going up, but suddenly the market prints another red candle. Whether it doesn't engulf or it engulfs, which means that support is created, that resistance is created. And we'll come here and name this current resistance. We'll come here and name this current resistance zone. That is the current resistance zone, which means for somebody to buy this market, that current resistance has to be broken for him or her to buy the market. That is how resistance is created. And how is this resistance violated? Resistance is violated when the candle forms a bullish candle which engulfs the previous bearish candle. This is it. When this is formed, which means this resistance zone which had already been formed, it has been violated with this bullish candle which has been formed, which means that this candle, this support, this resistance zone, it is no longer a resistance zone. A new support has been created, and this resistance zone, it is no longer a resistance zone, which means we'll come here and name this current. When it is violated, this becomes our current support. Current support. And how will somebody sell this market? You can only sell this market when this market comes back, violate, breaks that current support. This is a current support. Let me, because I'm going to confuse some guys. This current support, which means for somebody to sell this market, you will get that this market must come back here, break this support, this current support for it to sell up to the previous support, which was maybe somewhere here. Let me say your previous support will be somewhere here, which means this market must be move up to the previous support. That which means this will all be the take profit. How many pips? About 7,000 pips. That one is crazy. And that is how resistance is created and it is also violated. How is a resistance actualized? Because you are always told that you buy at a support and sell at a resistance. But remember that that is not true. It is not even 50% true, because there are key factors which you have to check. You have to check whether that resistance zone is actualized or violated. How it is actualized? It is actualized when you see another bearish candle printed which engulfs the previous uh, bearish candle. Check this, which means this bearish candle which engulfs this current resistance zone, which means it has engulfed this zone. Check this one. Let me remove this for it not to confuse other guys. This is it, which means it will engulf this zone. Once it engulfs this candle, which means this support has been, this resistance has been actualized, and there is high probability that, because of if you come to my mentorship, I always train this, and we know that this market is now has confirmed that it has reversed and it is now going downwards. Guys, I told you that some people just trade blindly and they always don't know how to actualize support, how the support is violated, how to actualize resistance, how resistance is violated. Let us check on a nini on a actual market or on a real market. Let us confirm this on a real market and we check. Yes, uh, yes. Guys, I'm a Tara forex trader. For those people who know me, I'm the Captain Gala, and you know how my signal works. I give them 100%, and my signal is 99% accurate. Those people who have tested them, they will comment down below, and they will tell you how we do it. This is it. You can see this one was a support. This one was GBP USD. We traded it for this week and we got some, how many pips from here you can measure. This is about 220 pips, which means take profit one hit, it was hit, take profit two also was hit. Let us take this scenario. How is support actualized? If you can see here, this support was created. This market started to move downward, and it created a support. Then there is a candle which was printed, which engulfed this previous bullish candle, which means this support had already been created and actualized, which means this market is already moving up. Now, for you to buy this market, you have to wait for a candle to break this zone, because remember, when this market started going downwards, this is a current resistance which was created, and it created another current support. Now, for you to be sure that this market is going upward, which means it has to break this zone. This is the current resistance zone for you to buy this zone up to the next the next previous resistance. I think which is somewhere above this given zone. That is how support and resistance created and violated. Let us see how this support can be violated. Let us take an example. Let me remove this because my team, which I give the signals, are already they already hit the market, and we are waiting for tomorrow's Sunday analysis. Let us check how is a support violated. Can we check where that support was violated? I don't know if we can get one here. If we can get one here, this is a resistance. Where is the support violated? Where is the support violated? We can use this. We can use this uh, because this one was a support which was created here. You can see this. It created a resistance, print a bullish candle, created another candle, and it was violated by this bullish candle ilienda huku juu, because some people started buying from here, but they didn't know that this support zone which was created here has already been violated. It went up down here, then came back. That is how support is created and violated. How is a resistance created, actualized? This is a resistance zone. It is created. Clear? Yes. But kumbuka, this resistance zone has not been violated with this candle because it hasn't engulfed this bearish candle, which means this is not a violation because I've told you for it to be violated, it has to engulf the red zone, which means for this person to buy this market, he had to wait for this current resistance to be broken for him or her to buy that market, long that market. Longing a market is like buying that market up to the previous resistance zone. Kumbuka or remember, this support, this resistance zone was actualized with this given candle. Just check this candle, which means that resistance zone was actualized with this given candle, which means it is very easy, guys. And I told you that all these things, when they are formed, when the market is moving, some are noise. That's why I've said that when a support or a resistance is created when the market is moving, you have to confirm with your analysis. You have to confirm because that one is not a signal entry. It only supports your analysis. Indicators and support and resistance zones, they are not always useful to enter a trade. They are only used to actualize your analysis, whether your analysis is correct or your analysis is wrong. That is how it is done. Thank you, guys. And that one is my time. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and more of the lessons are coming. You can see we killed the market on USDJPY. That one is a market already killed. You can see we killed another market here on USDJPY. Let me check USDJPY. Yes, USDJPY. You can see USDJPY. My team is still holding USDJPY, and that is how USDJPY is moving. And we are about to beat that take profit one. And you can also see we killed take profit one on how the USD TP1 was hit, TP2 was hit for the week. If you can see USD card, our analysis are very thorough, guys. You can see our analysis on USD card. Take profit one is about to be hit. How many pips? There are a lot of pips, guys. There's a lot of pips, like 178 pips. And another one is NZUSD. We killed NZUSD TP1 hit. We are going to TP2. You can see what we did, guys. You can put that on a power time frame for you to see how that market was big. This is one we did. TP1 was hit. We are heading to TP2. Thank you, guys. That one was my time. If you want to join my mentorship, we are on promo for this month. It is only 1,000 Kenyan shillings. You can WhatsApp me on 0706 206 333, or you can pay to the till number 840332 and send me that screenshot to that WhatsApp number so that I can add you immediately to the team. Thank you. And that one was